Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're gonna be doing an experiment. Wait, okay, whatever. We're gonna be doing an experiment, and the experiment is, as you can see right now, I have I have my spikes that's originally from this account, but I'm putting up my spikes on this account because I have no rares on this account. And the experiment is gonna be, I'm gonna fake that I'm a total noob at Animal Jam. I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, I just got membership today. My buddy gifted me these spikes and I don't know what they're worth. So I'm gonna unlock my den. Okay, so perfect. I should probably turn on the sound. I'm gonna go on this one. I'm gonna log off of this one. Bye bye, Glory. I love you. Okay. So I think we're ready here. I'm gonna turn up the volume. There we go. Okay, let's go to the world of hold on, I know where to go. We're gonna go to Alden. So I'm gonna go on Alden, and now I'm gonna be screaming here. Oh, I need to get Jamal Township. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, well, I couldn't get into Jamal Township, but I did get here, so I'm gonna be like, can someone please tell me what my list were? I got member today and my buddy gift me it. I don't know what worth. Okay, there. See, I can grammar. So I'm wonderful grammar today, and my buddy gifted me, and I don't know what worth. What worth? Someone tell me what my spikes are worth. Let's repeat that now. Hey, can someone please tell me what my list worth? I got member today and my buddy gifted me. Stop. Mama and my buddy gifted. Please. Someone. Please. Oh, someone jacked me. A lot. Like, what a lot. A lot. I don't know what worth. Okay. Let's see if they're trying to scam me. So we're gonna say it again. I got member today. Hey, can someone please tell me what my least worth? I got member today. Oh, they jacked back and they said over 10, then they done. I mean, they're not lying, which isn't good. We're trying to find a scammer. What? Okay, here. What my list worth? I don't know what worth. Alright, here, I have an idea. Okay. Here, I have an idea. Is my list worth necklace? I heard those are rare. Is it my list worth a necklace? I heard those are rare. Someone tell me what my spikes are worth. Please. Okay, well, hey, someone please tell me what my list worth. Is my list worth necklace? I heard those are rare. My den. If spike for neck. Necklace plus it's just a social experiment. My dad, oh, why am I looking at people? My dad is spike for necklace. Is my list worth necklace? I heard those are rare. Please tell me. Oh guys, we actually got our first trade. Don't know. It's really that good. I don't know what were saws. Okay. I'm gonna say my dead spike for neck. Is my list worth necklace? I heard those are rare. Do it. The list is not worth necklace. Oh. Really? Are you for real? Okay then. I don't really know. It's just like a rim. 11 jagged. Oh my god. What type of necklace? I'm gonna be really newbie and be like, there are different. I did not know this. Oh wait. I heard the trade was coming in. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. I actually don't know. And I remember doing beta. I'm not actually going to be trading away any of this. Here, I feel too newbie to say that. Sorry. If you are boy looking for a her, come to my den. I'm a boy, clearly, but that's for a different video. Oh my gosh, I've been jacked again. Lena. By the way, can we color swap spikes? I will add a couple of rares. I don't know. I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't know, but can tell me what worth my list. See the grammar? So good. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm gonna wait a few minutes because I gotta go in a few minutes. Please, someone tell me. Just tell me what my list was. I don't know if it's rare or not. Please. Someone tell me. Oh, reject again. Oh no. I don't know, but can we please color swap spikes? My favorite color is purple, but my spike is blue. I don't know. It is kinda rare. How much is it worth? I'm gonna have a bite of my burger. Yeah. Such good. Yeah. You get 12 betas total for your list. Thank you for not lying. Because I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I will add also a them later. So if we can see here, a green short color. I think that's under. Well, guys, thanks for watching this social experiment. Nothing really happened, but like some people were trying to like trade me and stuff. I don't really. Well, not a lot of stuff happened, and that's all I have to say. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, that's the wrong emoji. Disgrace. Okay, anyways. Peace.